Hey everyone, so I'm gonna be doing another unboxing today. I got some goodies on Amazon, so let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so this is the first box that I got. This is the mounting putty. I thought I only ordered these two, but it ended up being the whole box, which is actually pretty good for me. This is actually for me to mount the press-on nails with. And I got these like last week, I believe, so this would be good for me when I'm playing around with the press-ons. I forget what these are called, but I'm going to link all of these down below, so if you wanted to purchase it. My clients have been asking for me to do press-on nails, so we're gonna have some fun. And then this one, these are the press-on tips. Comes in 10 different sizes. So I will link, like I said, I will link this down below for you guys if you wanted to find this. I also got some more crystals, diamonds, you know, whatever for my clients. And then I got this. Just like a placemat. I just got like a white one because I was using this one before, but I felt like, you know, like this would be good for this background, but I feel like if I were doing like something extra, you know, it would blend in too much, so I decided to get the white one. And then I got some masks. These ones are supposed to be black, so I don't know why that's blue there, but oh, they are black. Okay, these ones are cool. I like these masks. I usually use like the blue ones, like the disposable ones, but I've been seeing the trend that everybody's been doing black, so I figured this would go with like every outfit. I also got this huge box on Amazon too. These ones have, I opened these a while ago, but I got these so that way I can organize my powders and my nail polishes as well. I'm also going to link this down below for you guys. So I did open a few of them as you put them here. So these are the ones that we were looking at. But I'm going to link these down below if you guys wanted to purchase them. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the rest of these. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I'll be linking everything down below that I got. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.